Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, this town is not big enough for the both of us, right? Let's see just how fast and who can be quickest on the draw. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to create your own free lead capture pages in 5 minutes or less using the LeadsLLeap platform page builder. You guys got me on the clock? Okay. Whether I do it in 5 minutes or not, guys, let me show you how simple and easy it can be to create your own lead capture pages inside of LeadsLLeap. You guys ready? You pumped up? You ready to go? Let's get hot. Let's talk about it. Okay, guys, the very first thing you got to do once you want to start creating your own lead capture pages inside of LeadsLLeap is you got to log into your LeadsLLeap members area, right? And then what you want to do, you have a members area that look just like this, and you want to drop down to where it says. Now I got a vision problem, guys, but I know I can see page builder, and so you're gonna come down where it says page builder, and you're gonna hit page manager. Okay, follow me now, guys. So once you hit page manager, now you're going to add a new campaign. Okay, because that's how you do this. You got to add a new campaign every time you want to create a new capture page. So I'm going to hit add a new campaign, and then you have to name that new campaign. We're just going to call this new campaign test. Then we're going to add new. Okay. So once we've added new, guys, now we're ready to add the actual editing, but we got to first go down here to add. Where is that? We got to add a blank page, right? So we got the new campaign in here. Now we're going to go add a new page because we need that to start. So let's add a new page. And when you do that, the software is going to ask you, do you want to add a blank page or do you want to add a share code? Guys, I can't wait to get to these share codes. You guys are going to love this because we can take a simple share code, pop it in here, and the page actually populates. But we're not up to that video yet. So let's go add a blank page. Once we go to add the blank page, guys, now you're going to see where you can launch the editor. If you guys are following along, just, stop the video, pause it, watch. But now you can launch your editor, because when you go to launch the editor, that's where you're going to find all of those templates for the pages that you can now go in, select the one of your choice, and then start editing it, right? I love this page over here to the far right. Watch me, guys. I'm going to click that page. It's going to populate in my screen. And when it does, guys, now I'm able to actually go in and start editing this page, right? Because when we talk about point, click, simple editing, this is point, click, simple editing at its finest. Now, when you're in this page, all you really want to do is just click inside the box you want to work with or the fill, and it'll populate over here on your right. So I'm clicking inside of here, right? And you guys can see, here's that text right here where I'm highlighting. So theoretically speaking, I could take that out. I'm not going to change everything, right? We're talking about how to create a lead capture page in less than 5 minutes. So let's go to now. I just did that page, you guys, so that I did in about 5 minutes, guys. Okay, so once you do that anyway, you can see I got it right here. I'm going to come up here, always come up here and hit save your work so it doesn't just disappear and get lost in space. That way you can always come back and edit it. So after that, the system will let you know. Then you want to start editing, so you can drag and drop your text anywhere that you want, right? You can drag and drop your text anywhere you want. So we're just moving it around. Every time we move it around, we hit save and make sure the system saves it. The system's going to let you know that it's saving it. And now, guys, and it's fast, okay? So now there's your capture page, right? Now, guys, let's talk a little bit more about some of the things you can do when you're editing. So if you wanted to edit this pic, you would have to actually double click on the picture. So I'm going to double click on the actual picture, and it should, oh, you got to come over here. You double click on the picture, then it'll let you inside of this field over here. You see where it says setting and styling? So that you double click the picture, that brings that up. Double click that, and it's going to open up your desktop, right? Now, if you have images on your desktop, then you can simply just go to your gallery. See where I am right here, guys? I'm going to go to my gallery. I'm going to double click, and it's going to open up all the pictures on my files on my particular desktop, on my computer, right? Now, my computer is slow, but you can see, guys, I just added that picture to that other one. If you wanted to go ahead and drag and drop an image, you could. I already got one. You could hit his. If you wanted to do that, just click hit upload. I'm just going to click that one, and it's going to actually add it, guys. We're going to hit save. Boom. Voila, guys. And I think I'm still under 5 minutes. We hit save, right? And of course, now I got my how to create a lead capture page in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm still up here. And now, guys, what we want to do, right? Let's just say, right, you want to widen this video a little bit. So you come over here, you click inside the field where the image is, and you see up here where it says position and size. Watch this, guys. See, I'm moving the video just to the left a little bit. And I'm going to go back. I'm going to move it to the right a little bit. Same thing down here. I can come here, move it more to, change the actual width, play around with it. All these buttons will do that inside the editor, guys. It's a beautiful editor, right? And you can do all of this cool stuff, guys. And really, you can create these lead capture pages in less than 5 minutes. Now, let's just say you want to get rid of something. Double click it. It'll highlight it over here. Come over here to the trash can. Boom, it's gone. Hit save. It's going to process very fast. It's going to let you know. And now, guys, you've done that. Now, I also want to get rid of this because there's separate little fields in there, right? So I'm going to click that, and that little box right there should be, I just saw it a few minutes ago. Where is it? What is it? This one. Where is it? Okay, I think this is it right here. No, let's get rid of the free ebook one first. We'll go there, right? There's that. You can see it corresponding over there. Claim your free ebook. Let's go over here. Boom. Get rid of that. Save, right? Okay. Now, guys, we have just created our very own lead capture page, right? Now, guys, let's go down and save it. And the other cool thing is your editor actually stays open. I'm still in this page. It's saving my updates, but I'm going to go back to my members area, and we're going to take a look at that page and see if we, in fact, I'm in the editor now. Let's see if we, in fact, that page is still up. There it goes, guys. It's a test page. I just created it. Let's click and see if it is, in fact, that page. Oh, no, it's not the page. It's not the page, guys. And I'm going to tell you guys why. Because once you do that, what you have to do, guys, is you have to go back onto the actual editor, right? I'm going to go back into the editor, because what we're going to do now is we're going to make sure that if everything's like we want it to be, then we're going to go back and make sure that we make this page, we activate the actual page, okay? Because the page exists, but we have to activate it. So it's like I want it. So in order to activate it, guys, I got to come over here to the status. You see where it says status? I got to make that page active. Look right down there on the right. You'll see that page is now active. If I click it again, it's inactive. I click it now, it's active. Now it's saved because it's active. I can go back to it and I can look at it again. And anytime I want, guys, I can pop back into my editor. Remember, I said this is point, click, simple. I can go back into launching my editor. Anytime I want to actually edit the actual page, go to launch the editor, come in and make any of the changes that I want to make, right? And I think that that's super powerful. I think that that's what's been lacking in a lot of the funnel building software. We're talking about these guys have been around since 2008, and this is why they're over 170,000 members strong, because when you talk about the editor inside of LeadsLLeap, guys, you can literally go out and create your own lead capture pages. Let's look at it in the browser, right? In less than 5 minutes. You guys just seen me do it. I can do this all day. You can too. If you're impressed and if you're excited, if you're an individual who wants to start creating your own free lead capture pages in 5 minutes or less, guys, then you'll find a link to LeadsLLeap somewhere below this video or in the YouTube video description area. Super pumped, super excited, miles to go before I sleep, and I'll see you guys on the next LeadsLLeap review. Keep banging.